In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Affirm account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start, what information you'll need, and how to keep your account secure from day one. You can create an account in 3 places: at a partner store during checkout, at affirm.com, or in the Affirm app. The experience is very similar across all options, so choose whichever is most convenient. If you're shopping and see Affirm as a payment option, you can begin there. Otherwise, going to the website or using the app is a great way to get set up ahead of time. A mobile number is required to create an account. It must be a number from the United States or a US territory. Affirm uses this to verify it's really you whenever you sign in, which is an important security step. When you create your account, and each time you log in at affirm.com, you'll enter your mobile number, and Affirm will text you a 6-digit one-time verification code. Enter that code to continue. For your safety, remember that Affirm will never call, email, or text to ask for this code, so never share it with anyone. If you change your phone number later, make sure to update it in your account settings so you don't lose access. Also note that one phone number can be tied to only one Affirm account. If you're told your number is already in use, contact Affirm support using the help link provided in the app or on the website so they can assist. For added protection, set up a passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID on your device. If you don't already have a passcode, you'll be prompted to create one during sign-in, and you can also set or adjust this later in your account settings. If you prefer to sign up in the app, download the free Affirm app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open it and follow the prompts. Enter your mobile number, choose Next, and then provide your legal first and last name and your email address. Double check your spelling so it matches your official records. This helps with identity verification. Next, enter your date of birth and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This information is used to confirm your identity. When everything looks correct, tap Create Account. That's it. You've set up your Affirm account. Keep your phone nearby for verification codes, keep your login details secure, and you'll be ready to use Affirm wherever it's available. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a quick refresher.